What's the meaning of burgeoning? Burgeoning. Burgeoning.
Burgeoning. Burgeoning. The term burgeoning refers to something that is rapidly growing or expanding. It can be used to describe a variety of situations, including an increasing population, a growing economy, or a developing industry. When something is described as burgeoning, it typically implies a sense of excitement and potential for the future. The result of this growth can be positive, leading to increased prosperity and innovation, but it can also come with challenges such as strain on resources or infrastructure. Ultimately, the result of burgeoning depends on how well it is managed and sustained over time.